LeapFrog Crypto here. Just a quick reminder, all the content here is purely educational, showing you how I use bots in crypto trading. This isn't financial advice, I'm simply sharing my experiences and strategies. Always do your own research before making any investment decisions. Happy trading!
Good morning, everyone. Hope you're all having a fantastic day. As you can see, my bot factory is up and running, trading 24/7, rain or shine, summer or winter. This is automated trading at its finest. Today, I'm setting up a new bot for a coin recommended by my friend Jose from another crypto group. Big shout out to Jose for the tip. So let's dive into Pionex and get started. First, we'll navigate to the futures bot menu. Sometimes the interface can be a bit quirky, but no worries, we've got this. On the Pionex platform, you might notice a draggable menu. Just click and drag it up to access your bots. Setting up the bot for ACHUSD, we're focusing on ACH against the US dollar, which is currently breaking out on the daily time frame. The moving averages 29 and 50 are forming a bullish cross, classic golden or silver cross pattern. Typically, when this happens, the price reaches a local top, retraces, and tests the bullish cross as support. Here's where our futures grid bots come in. Strategy: they go long and short, buying dips to accumulate positions, and selling on the way up. Leverage: we're using 10x leverage to maximize gains. Grid design: each bot operates on a grid system, with specific levels for buying, accumulating, and selling. These bots are designed to work seamlessly, capturing profit in both directions and optimizing every move in the market. Welcome to the power of automated trading with LeapFrog Crypto. Let's set this bot up and watch it perform.